In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to some of the main hyperlink options available in WebPlus X5. On my yoga and fitness site, you can see from the Site tab that only the first 5 pages are included in the navigation bar. This means that I'll need to provide other ways of accessing the additional pages. I can do this by adding hyperlinks. If I add the links to my master page, they'll display on all of the pages in this site that use the master page, and I'll only have to add the links once. To open the master page, I just select it from the Site tab. To create my hyperlinks, I'll start by adding a text frame and some text. I'll keep things tidy by aligning the text box. I'll also attach it to the bottom of the page, no matter how long my page gets. By doing this, the links will always appear at the bottom. To create the first link, I simply select the text and on the toolbar click Hyperlinks. In the dialog, I'll choose Site Page and select the relevant page in the drop-down list. In the Target Window or Frame section, I'll select Lightbox and click OK. I repeated this process for the second page. Notice that the text is now underlined and the colour has updated to match the site colour scheme. Let's preview the links in a browser. Now when I click one of the new links, the page opens in a special window called a Lightbox. Let's move on to another type of hyperlink. My site also contains a really long page. As it is, my visitors would have to scroll to get the information. This isn't good. To make it easier for my visitors, I'm going to create anchors that I can hyperlink to. I'll start by creating a link at the bottom of the page. To create an anchor, I simply place my cursor at the start of the section heading text. Then, I select Anchor from the toolbar. A default anchor name is created for me, so I can just click OK to accept it. Next, I need to create the hyperlink. I've created a text frame containing the name of my fitness classes. To link to my anchor, I'll select the relevant text and select Hyperlink from the toolbar. This time, I need to choose Anchor. The correct page and anchor are already selected. My target window needs to be the same window, which is selected by default. Just click OK, and the link is created. I'll now repeat the process for the rest of the anchors. This time, I'll need to ensure that the correct anchor is selected from the drop-down list, which contains all of the available options. You can see the anchors working when previewed in a browser. You can also add anchors to a navigation bar. To do this, I select the anchor and click Anchor from the toolbar to open the dialog. I then check the Include in Navigation option and give my anchor a title. I can do this for all anchors in one go from the Hyperlink Manager dialog. I'll select the anchor category and then I'll select the topmost Include in Navigation option. This checks all of the anchors in one go. Finally, I give each anchor a title and click Close. The final step is to edit the navigation bar to include the new anchors. When I select my navigation bar, I click Edit on Master Page. I then select Edit Navigation Bar from the right-click menu. And then I check the Include Anchors option. When we preview the page, you can see the anchors have appeared in the navigation bar. Notice that I have some back-to-top links. Conveniently, WebPlus provides us with a ready-made anchor. All I have to do is click Hyperlink and then select Top from the anchor drop-down list. You can see the effect when I preview my site. To conclude this tutorial, I'll show you how to link thumbnails to a larger full-size version of the picture. I simply select the thumbnail and click Hyperlink. In the dialog, I'll select Picture, and in the Target Window or Frame, I'll select New Window. Let's preview this link to see it in action. Now when I click on the picture thumbnail, The full-size version opens in a new window or tab. That's all for this tutorial. We've touched the surface of things that you can achieve with hyperlinks. For more information, see the How To tab, WebPlus Help, or our other online tutorials. Thanks for watching.